Hey guys, it's Jesse again from JH Restorations, and I'd like to tell you about another great product from Edelbrock that we're using on our install in our 64 Chevy C10. We've got the EFI fuel sump kit. This system here, it makes it really easy to install high pressure fuel pumps into a low pressure carbureted fuel system. It's a really simple can, you can mount it under the hood of any vehicle. It works off a low pressure fuel pump, like say your carburetor would have on the engine block, or if you want to mount one underneath your vehicle to feed the system. From there, the high pressure gets fed back at either 30 or 90 psi to the engine. From there, the system is returned back. It's a self-contained unit, really easy to install. The guys at Edelbrock have really got it nailed down with this. Follow along when we install this in the truck. It's easy to install. Have fun, guys.